This is a 2016 Ford Explorer. I'm gonna turn it on. And the brake light right here stays on. And I get this warning. Well, right now my hood's open, but let me restart this. I got a brake warning right here. Hood ajar, check brake system. So I thought it might be the emergency brake. There's a switch right up here. It's just 2 wires. Let's see if I can show you that. It's kind of dark. It might be easier if I push the emergency brake in. No light. Hold on a second. Okay. Right there. That is a switch right there. There's 2 wires going into it. Right there at the very bottom, a yellow wire and a black wire. I removed that. It's kind of hard to get out, just to verify that the parking brake wasn't stuck on. But my next thing that I'm going to try is, we bled the brakes and it stayed on. So next thing I'm going to try is this part here. It's the level switch for the fluid level. Show you where that goes. Right here is the fluid reservoir, and at the very bottom down here, it's really hard to see. I can't even get it to focus. Right back inside here, there's a little space. Sorry for my dirty fingers, but this is what goes in there. It slides in. Actually, it goes this way. It slides in, and there's a wire connector right here that plugs into it. It's just got 3 prongs. I ohmed this out, and I got like 36 ohms between pin 2 and 3. So I'm gonna try this new one. I don't have my meter. I'm at the dealer right now. So let me try this new part. I'll open this bag and put it in. Let's see here. There's really not much to these. I'll leave a link below. Hopefully this works. I have no idea. And what you can do is, you can actually get my phone in here. This is kind of tight. And you plug this into this connector, and it'll click, and then you can actually put the whole connector down and slide it back in. Let's see if I can get a picture of that. And I'm just going to slide it in. And there it's in. It'll come out. It's in. Alright. Let me see if check engine went away, or the brake. Nope, that did nothing. Try it again. Nope, still getting the brake. So that part was $47 and it did nothing. Online it's said that, sorry about that. Online it said that these should only be between 0 and 5 ohms, and I was getting 36, so I don't know. But these were also on back order. I drove like 30 miles to this dealership, and it didn't fix it. I was all excited. So if anyone knows what this failure is, like I said, there are no codes. I disconnected the switch on the emergency brake. I don't know if the switch on the emergency brake is stuck, but I disconnected the wire. And like I said, this is a fluid sensor. I just replaced that, and it made no difference. So now I'm kind of lost. All right, thanks for watching.